let's try the extra spicier. Oh.
Is it super spicy?
You try rice, oh. Rice. Have some rice. Have some rice. To balance. Is it spicy?
Ang toyo. Pero yung tuna kasi walang spicy yan.
Dip, dip. Dip, 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 dip.
Do you want rice? You want this?
Have some of this.
No?
There. Da-da-da. 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 Da-da-da.
Nakapout.
Nice
Yeah,
hairstyle, bro.
Nahulog eh.
Look, this Shoma has a hairstyle.
Funky.
How about this one? Da-da-da.
This one also spicy.
Oh, yes, it will be.
Galing mo yung pinag-isipan kong bata mo.
Is that halal?
Yes.
Nanghangan yan.
Hindi. Hindi sa ano, balak kalamansi.
So,
Nakapdi yan kasi ilalim. Sugat yan, malamang. Later na,
No, no. Just put it there.
you still have it. You still have it in your mouth, oh.
I can have one, right?
Ah, yeah. Eat it. Eat it. Mama, maunod ka, ma'am. Baba.
Want this? Want this? You know?
Nakawalan yan.
You want water? Dami pa ano yun.
Halil. Oo, bawal.
Bawal!
Can you try to
Hmm?
can you try to do the
Kapit.
no? Can you try to flip them over? Flip, and then flip it off.
Si Nyarian ba? Mix. Marami siyang nakakausap na rinqual sa bed space. Kaso wala pang kalahati ang matino.
Ganyan talaga. Pero kasi nalaman ko
Halil,
sila.
bawal.
Hindi mo kasi malalaman eh. Kasi sino yung matinos.
Ah, that's how you do it?
Yes.
O bakit wala na yung ano ni Halil?
Kinakain ko na. Ang hirap nga ubusin. Ito na eh. Wala.
Mas masarap nga yun eh, yung shark fin. Kaysa sa tuna.
Go. Get it.